Hi children, how are you all? This is Sandhya from Bharathidasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School going to teach 5th standard maths 3rd lesson. So what is our 3rd lesson name, ideas? Very good. Our third lesson name is factors and multiples. What is our 3rd lesson name? Factors and multiples. So what is meant by factors and what is meant by multiples? When two or more numbers are multiplied, the answer is called multiples. When two or more numbers are multiplied, the answer is called multiples. Two or more numbers. Two or more numbers are multiplied. When two or more numbers are multiplied, the answer is called multiples. The answer. So, the answer is called multiples. Listen children, for example, I will take 5 fours are. What is that? 5 fours are. 5 fours are 20. Here 5 and 4 are called the factors. When two or more numbers are multiplied, the answer is called multiples, and then that each number is called the factors. So, each number is called the factors. Here 5 and 4 are called the factors and 20 is called the multiples. Today we are going to see the only two topics, that is find the common factors and find the common multiples. Find the common factors and find the common multiples. This is part. Yeah, listen here. Write the common factors of 12 and 30. So everyone know what is factors. The two numbers, when we are multiplying number, the two number is called the factors. First we are going to find the factors of 12. Next we are going to find the factors of 30. So how we will find the factors? First we are going to find the one table. So one table have 12 or not. Okay. So next you are going to check and two table. Two table have 12 or not, and next 3 table, 4 table up to, so whatever number here they are given. So the question is 12. Up to you should check 12. Okay. So listen here. First we are going to find the factors of 12. Factors of 12. Right? Factors of 12 are. Factors of 12 are. Okay. So first we will check the 1 table, 2 table, 3 table up to 12 table. Okay. So 1 table of 12, tell me Kiran. Very good. Yeah. 1 table of 12. How many times? 1 12s are 12. How many times? 1 12s are 12. So write the answer. 1 12s are 12. Next you will take a 2 table. In 2 table of 12. Yeah, 2 table of 12. How many times? Very good. 2 6 are 12. How many times? 2 6 are 12. So write the answer. 2 6 are 12. And our next one is 3 table. 3 table of 12. Yes, 3 table of 12. Well, better you take and divide. Take 12 and divided by 3. Now we are going to tell the table 3 table. Okay. So first one, 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12. In 3 table we have 4 times. 3 fours are 12. That is 3 times of 4 are 4 times of 3. So the answer is 12. Write the answer. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. Now 12 minus 12, the answer is 0. So 3 table of 12. That is 4 times 3 fours are 12. Next you will take the 4 table. 4 table of 12. Yeah, here itself you see and say 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. Next you will take the 5 table. So 5 table of 12 means 5 table at 12 is not possible. Why? Because 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 5 threes are 15. So here we got a greatest number, so don't take 5 table. In 6 table of 12, Yes, very good. In 6 table of 12, how many times? 6 twos are 12. How many times? 6 twos are 12. So, write the answer 6 twos are 12. Next, you will take a 7 table. 7 table of 12. No, it is not possible. Why? Because 7 table we have 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So, compared to 14, 12 is the smallest number. So, it is not a possible. Next, take 8 table. Now, tell me Anjali, 8 table of 12? No, it does not have a 12. And 9 table also not possible. 10 table also not possible. 11 table also not possible. Slightly we have in a 12 table. So, write the answer 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. So, here we have the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So, you should write the answer factors of 12 are, or else factors of 12 equal to, the first factor is 1 and the second factor is 2 and the third factor is 3 and next one is 4 and next one is 6 and final one is 12. Okay. Next we are going to find the factors of 30. Next we are going to find the factors of 30. So, as usual we have the same step. First we will check the 1 table, 2 table, 3 table up to 30th table. Okay. So, in every number in one table, 130s are 30, 150s are 50, 160s are 60. So, first table is 1. First we will write factors of 30 are. Factors of 30 are. Factors of 30 are. The first table is 1 table. So, write 130s are 30. 130s are 30. And next we will take a 2 table. In 2 table of 30. So, first we will check we will divide and we will check the answer. Take 30 and divide it by 2. 30 and divided by 2. So, here in divided is 30 and divisor is 1. Here we have the table is 2. So, take first number. In 2 table we have 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So, here we will take a 2. So, 2 in 2 table how many times? Only 1 time. So, write 1 twos are 2. 1 twos are 2. Now, 3 minus 2. What is the answer? 3 minus 2. Very good. The answer is 1. Then we will bring down another number 0. And now 2 table out 10. Tell me Kiran, what is the answer? Very good. 2 table out 10. How many times? 2 5s are 10. Already 2 is there. 10 is there. So, our answer is 15. So, 5 2s are 10. Now, 10 minus 10 equal to 0. 10 minus 10 equal to 0. In 2 table, 2 15s are 30. 2 15s are 30. So, write the answer 2 15s are 30. Next, we will take the 3 table. 3 table of 30. Yeah, 3 table of 30. How many times? 3 10s are 30. 3 10s are 30. So, write the answer 3 10s are 30. Next, we will take the 4 table. So, 4 table of 30 possible means it is not possible. Next, we will take the 5 table. So, can anyone tell the 5 table? Now, Anjali tell the answer. Very good. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. So, write here 5 6 are 30. And next, 6 table of 30. Yeah, 6 table of 30. 6 5s are 30. So, write the answer 6 5s are 30. Next, we will take the 7 table. 7 table of 30 possible means this is not possible. Okay. So, listen children, take a 30 and divide it by 7. In remainder, you get 0 means that is a factor. In remainder, you get non-zero number means this is not a factor. Okay. So, take a 7 table. 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 40, 7 3s are 21 and 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. Here we have 28 and 35. 28 and 35. So we don't have 30. We'll take 28 only. Take 4 7s are 28. Now 30 minus 28, the answer is 2. Right. So 0 minus 8 is not possible. 0 it will change into 10. 3 it will change into 2. So 10 minus 8, the answer is 2. Here the remainder we get non-zero number. So this is not a factor. Next we will take a 8 table. 8 table at 30 possible means this is not possible. Next we will take a 9 table. 9 table at 30 possible means that also not possible. Next we will take the 10 table. In 10 table of 30, yeah, 3 10s are 30 and next one is 10 3s are 30. 10 3s are 30. So write the answer 10 3s are 30. And next we have 15 table. So write 15 2s are 30. And next finally we have a 30th table. So write 31s are 30. 31s are 30. Now here we have many factors. Listen children, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 13. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Here the factors of 30 are, right? Factors of 30 equal to. Factors of 30 equal to. So we have many factors, right? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. 1, 2, 3, 5 and next factor is 6 and next one is 10 and next one is 15 and the final one is 30. Now we are going to pick the common numbers, that is called as common factors. Listen my children, here we have 1, so 1, 1 and then we have 2, 2, 2, next we have 3, 3 and then next one is 6, 6. So the common factors of 12 and 30 are, finally the common factors of 12 and 30 are 1, 2, 3, 6. So final answer, write the common factors are, the common factors are, so what is the common factors here? Here we have 1, 2, 3 and 6. So write the answer 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. So the topic name is find the common factors. Okay. First we will find the first number and second number. We are going to check each and every table from first table to and whatever number they are given. 12 means up to 12 table and 30 means up to 30 table. Next we are going to see the find the common multiples of. Find the common multiples of some number. Write the first two common multiples of 10 and 12. Write the first two common multiples of 10 and 12. I hope everyone knows what is multiples, right? The answer, when two or more numbers are multiplied, the answer is called the multiples. First we are going to find the multiples of 10, then we are going to find the multiples of 12. First we are going to find the multiples of 10 and the multiples of 12. First, multiples of 10 are, multiples of 10 are. So what is the multiples of 10? That is 10 table. 10 zeros are 0, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40. So it will be goes on. First you will write the 10 table. 10, 20. Answer alone you should write 10, 20. And what is the next number? The next number is 30. Then what is the next number? Tell me Tirumurugan, what is the answer? Next one. Very good. Our next answer is 40. And next one is 50. Now tell me Roshan, what is the next answer? Very good. The next answer is 60 and 70, 80 and the next one is 90 and 100, 110, and next one is 120, then it will be goes on. Okay, so multiples as doesn't have a end point, it will be goes on, it is called as infinite. Okay, and next one is find the multiples of 12. Multiples of 12 are, multiples of 12 are. So now we will write the 12 table. Now we will write the 12 table. So first one is 12 ones are 12, and next one is 12 twos are 24, and what is the third one? 12 threes are 36. So write the answer 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, and next one is 12 fours are 48, and next one is 12 fives are 60, 12 6 are 72, and 12 6 are 72, 12 7s are 84, and 96, 108, 120, and the next number is 132, and next one is 144, and it will be goes on. So listen my children, this is multiples of 12, multiplication table. Okay, so listen, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, and 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120, 12 11s are 132, and finally 12 12s are 144, and it will be goes on. Now we are going to find the first two common multiples of 10 and 12. Okay, so what is the first two common multiples? Here we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So the common multiples are 60 and 60, and the next common multiples is 120 and 120. So these two numbers is the first two common multiples of 10 and 12. So finally write the answer. The first two common multiples of first two common multiples of 10 and 12 are common multiples of common multiples of 10 and 12 are 10 and 12 are. So what is the answer? First two common multiples, the first two common multiples are 60 and 120. 60 and 120. So the topic name is find the common multiples. Before you saw the find the common factors. The next one is write all the multiples of 8 lying between 50 and 90. First we are going to write the multiples of 80. Then we will find the multiples lying between the 50 and 90. So write, say the 8 table. The first one is 8 zeros are 0. And what is the next one? 8 ones are 8. So write multiples of 8 are. Multiples of 8 are. Multiples of 8 are. Then we will find the lies between the 50 and 90 kulla irukka multiples. Okay, so listen here. 8 ones are 8. That is 8 times of 1 are 1 times of 8. The next one is 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. And tell me Krish, what is the next answer? 8 threes are. Very good. The answer is 8 threes are 24. Take 8 threes are 24. And next one is 8 fours are. 8 fours are 32. And tell me Manimoran, what is the answer? 8 fives are. Very good. 8 fives are. The answer is 40. And next we'll take 8 six are. 8 6 are, that is 8 times of 6 are 6 times of 8. So the answer is 8 6 are 48. And next we'll take 8 sevens are. So 8 sevens are 8 times of 7 are 7 times of 8. The answer is 56. So write the answer 56. And next take 8 eights are. 8 eights are. The answer is 64. The next one is 8 nines are. 8 nines are 72. And next we will take 8 tens are. 8 tens are 80. And next one is 8 elevens are, that is 8 times of 11 are 11 times of 8. So the answer is 8 elevens are 88. Next we will take 8 12s are. So 8 12s are, the answer is 96. What is the answer? The answer is 96. So listen my children, it will be goes on. Okay, the question is 8 lying between 50 to 90. So 50 ko 90 ko between the multiples. So listen here, we have 56 is there and 64 is there and 72 is there, 80 is there and then 88 is there. 88. So the answer is 56, 64, 72, 80 and 88. Write the answer 56, 64, 72, 80 and finally 88. Okay, so we will clear this. So now we are going to see the fill-ups. Okay, listen children. Fill in the blanks. The first question is 12 eights are. Here 12 eights are. So what is the answer? 12 eights are. 12 eights are, the answer is 96. Here 12 and 8 are called dash. Here 12 and 8. Here 12 and 8 are called dash. 12 and 8 are called dash and 96 is called dash. And 96 is called a dash. Is called dash. Now tell me Anjali, what is the answer? 12 and 8 are called. Very good. 12 and 8 are called the factors. What is the answer? Factors. And 96 is called the multiples. So write the answer multiples. Listen my children, in this session you all learn find the common factors and find the common multiples, right? And then finally you saw the topic is find the multiples lying between 8 table and something 50 to 90, right? So I hope everyone enjoy this section. In this below description we have attached the study material, question bank and then self-assessment work. So my dear students, do all the work. If you have any doubt, just see this video. Thank you children. We will see you in next section.